Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Nuair, and now I will review the employment agreement between Luis Zavala as executive and Power, a company in California. This contract discusses the term and condition that must be fulfilled regarding to work, and this is part of the introduction. This agreement was made on July 8, 2016 between Zavala, the executive, and Polar Power, a company in California. To make it easier for you to understand the agreement, you can access the link that I include in this slide. Okay, let's discuss it. Okay, now let's get to the part employment by company. The company agreed to employ executive in the position of vice president, finance, and executive accept such employment. During the term of executive employment with the company, executive will give the best performance to the company. And the location used the main office of the executive is a location mutually agreed between the executive and the company, and that duties assignment assigned to the executive. The executive will serve an executive capacity in accordance with the company's regulations and as required by the company's board of directors. And the employment relationship between the parties shall be governed by the general employment policies and practice of the company. Okay, next we go to the compensation. Executive shall receive an annual salary at the rate of $120,000 paid bi-weekly, and executive base salary may be increased as approved by the compensation committee of the board in its sole discretion. And the next compensation is annual bonus. Eligible executive will receive an annual bonus and will be determined by the compensation committee based on consideration of the company's performance and the executive performance. And for vacation, executive shall be entitled to 4 weeks paid vacation each year. And in the standard company benefit section is written that executive shall be entitled to participate in all employee benefit program for executive. Okay, next we move to termination of employment. The employment can be terminated by means a will relationship. Either executive or the company may terminate the employment relationship at any time, with or without cause or advance notice. Termination of the employment can also by termination without cause or resignation for good reason. The executive will receive approval in the form of severance pay and health insurance if they sign a letter of release from employment can satisfy the company. Okay, then there is also termination with cause if the company terminates executive employment with the company for cause, or executive resign without good reason, then executive will not be entitled to any further compensation from the company. Termination due to death or disability. This agreement shall terminate after executive death, and executive instead shall not be entitled to any further compensation from the company. If termination due to disability, the company will provide severance benefits, provided the release document is submitted within 16 days of termination. Okay, next, the arbitration. Executive and the company agree that any disputes shall be resolved to the fullest extent permitted by law. Final, binding, and confidential arbitration by a single arbitrator in Orange County, California, conducted by JAMS under the then applicable JAMS rules. And next, general provision. All notice under this agreement must be in writing. Such notice will be considered effective when delivered personally, including via fax, sent by express courier, and received the next day. And the severability. If any provision of this agreement is held to be illegal or unenforceable, this agreement will be reformed, constructed, and enforced in such jurisdiction to the extent possible in keeping with the intent of the parties. Okay, the conclusion. The work agreement set about terms and condition of work and provides the obligation and right of the employee. Okay, thanks for watching and your attention. Thank you.